guys, welcome back. So if you guys are new here, my name is Danielle, and I share a little bit of everything with my friends. So if you guys like knowing a little bit about anything that goes on in your average life, stick around because we have a good time around here. But today, or tonight, because it is almost 8 o'clock at night, I am going to share with you another one of my, I want to say, hacks or tricks that has helped me with or on this weight loss journey. So if you guys are new, you guys know, or you wouldn't know, that I have been on a weight loss journey for pretty much my whole life, but seriously for about 4 years. I'm on the, the verge of hitting goal, which is about 160 pounds. And I've been, trying to reach this goal for quite some time. So with all that being said, last week I went ahead and I talked to you guys about the apple cider vinegar and how that's been really kicking up my metabolism. Today I wanted to address getting your waist snatched, girl. We all want that hourglass shape. And if you guys have ever followed me on my Instagram, if you don't, please do so. I'm gonna put it right here. I'll insert some pictures, but I'm really big on tightening up my waist, because that's what I want. I want to have a tiny waist and big hips. Like, who doesn't? Who doesn't want to be slim thick? I mean, it's the cool thing right now. But seriously, that's where I feel I look the best. I think that is a very flattering shape for a woman and all those things. But, it's kind of hard when you've had 3 kids, lost a lot of weight. I got some excess skin. But I wanted to show you how to go ahead and shrink that, girl. You're going to shrink it. Now, before I tell you this, this has been done for years. I did not make it up. I actually was told to do this by a coworker of mine who was a power lifter, and not only was she a power lifter, she was a competitor in physique and bikini competitions. And I was like, look, I'm trying, she would kind of coach me and stuff at work. And I was like, look, my stomach, I got the skin. And she's like, girl, I'm gonna tell you what we do before shows. This will snatch that waist. It will shrink it. Is it forever? No. But if you got somewhere to go the next day and you're trying to look on tens, girl, this is gonna be your friend. So let me show you what you're gonna need. All right? Get your pen and paper because it's coming for you. The first thing you're gonna need is some old school plastic wrap. Yes, plastic wrap. I got mine at Walmart. The Dollar Tree got it. You need some plastic wrap. Then what you're gonna need is some Preparation H. Good old Preparation H. Yes, but this is the trick. It has to have that Diacare in it. You see that right here? Or Biodyne. That's it. Biodyne. That's the trick. That's what you need, is the Biodyne. Funny enough, this isn't sold in the US because this was super popular on the pageant markets, weightlifting competitions, and I guess the beauty queens were using it for underneath their eye for the bags and stuff, and it was taking away the puffiness, but it was like causing some eye issues, I guess. So they went ahead and took the Biodyne off the market. They still sell Preparation H in the States, but with the Biodyne you have to order it. I ordered mine off the internet and it came from a Canadian pharmacy. So I hope I don't go to jail. But anyways, so why does this work? Because it shrinks. It goes ahead and it's a vasodilator, so it's going to go ahead and it's going to shrink. It's going to shrink the skin. It's going to pull all the moisture up and out the body, and it's going to shrink it. It's going to make your skin real tight, girl. Real tight, just like when you got hemorrhoids, and it's going to go ahead and tighten up that sphincter, Same thing. So you're going to need yourself one of these bad boys. And then this is extra. I do it because I'm extra and I want it to be extra snatched, but I go ahead and I put my wrap on. So I just got the Sweet Sweat one. I know Marshall sells them, but this is the one I have on hand. And I do this before bed. So I go ahead and I rub this stuff. I'm going to show you. We rub all this stuff on my belly. I really like knuckle knead my stomach, because you want to loosen up that lymphatic system. You really want to wake up all that stuff, get it in, rub it in real good. We're going to wrap ourselves in saran wrap, and then we're going to go ahead and have this. And then in the morning, you're going to go ahead and take a shower because you're going to be nasty. And I'm telling you, I've lost on an average probably about an inch and a half. But we're gonna go ahead and measure. I'm gonna measure myself tonight, and then in the morning when I take it off, I'm gonna go ahead and remeasure myself so you guys can see that I'm not BSing you, because your girl ain't a BSer. I keeps it real. I keep it 100. I won't tell you anything that I don't do. So let's go ahead. Let's put our preparation H on. All right. So first off, be kind, guys, because I'm putting my body out there, and this is honestly the most self-conscious part of my body, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my tape measurer here just to kind of give you guys a better view. I'm turning my back, guys, because I have this lower pouch, and it's really hard for me, okay? So just like I said, please be kind. This is no sucking in. I'm doing it at the most narrow part, which is my waist. You can see is reading 37. See right here, it is reading 37 inches. Okay, I got stretch marks, you know, my belly button's sad. I get it, okay? Sorry. And we gonna rub it in. So, I actually brought in like an old kitchen towel as well, just to wipe off my hands. So you're just gonna take it. I take about that much. Ooh, that looks like boogers. But sometimes I do this as well when I work out, just to get a good sweat. We're going to take our plastic wrap. Go ahead and just, like I said, be extra and put my sweatband on. If you don't have one, you can skip it. But I do. This is the Sweet Sweat one. I've had it for years, and it's my absolute favorite. We gonna sleep on it, and I will catch you birds in the morning. Okay. So here's that. I'm just gonna take some scissors. So you can tell already it looks tinier. So here's the real test here. Oh, do you guys see that? There we go. 34 inches. You guys can see. I can't believe it. So there we go. Proof's in the pudding. So I basically wanted to share that quick kind of hack with you guys as a kind of quick fix. This is by no means a long-term solution. This is not going to be like lipo for a long existing, you know, type things. You're still going to have to hit the gym. You're still going to have to watch what you eat. But this is something that I like to do, like I said, when I know something's coming up and I just need a little bit of help. So I highly recommend it. It definitely does work, but it is by no means to take the place of a good diet and working out. So if you guys try it out, let me know, and good luck. And do not forget to always stay on a good fitness game. Watch your eating, watch your, make sure you work out, make sure you get, moving, and the results will come. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. So I will see you on the next video, and take it easy. Bye guys.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always.